cow. That's impressive. Never look at the canyon. Good morning. It's day 17. We are moving a little slow this morning. It was a little bit chilly. What did it get down to last night?
22, I thought.
22. It stayed a nice toasty 70-ish in the van. We were running the diesel heater all night long. The thermostat was working very well. Kicking on, kicking off. So I'm happy to see that. At 8,000 feet, the Autotern with kerosene worked just fine. So I think this morning we're going to have some pancakes. Something a little different. We're going to drive the van around, see some sights.
In the Grand Canyon.
Alright, we'll pick you up as we go along. Oh yeah. Sun beating down on the pancakes. Snow out there. Okay, let's shut the door.
It's cold.
It's cold.
Daddy version?
I'm baking mine.
Daughter version?
She's got no bake.
Mom had hers plain.
Mom version?
Oh, gone.
Gone. We're going to throw a couple eggs on there too when we get done. Alright, we're going to take the bus down here to Hermits Restaurant, and we're going to jump on Hermits Road. That bus over there.
Can't drive on that red road.
Can't drive on the red road. Well, looks like everybody else had the same idea we did. At least we can look at that view over there while we wait. So off in the distance there, not sure if you can see it, right off in this distance along the ridgeline is San Francisco peaks. Another look at the canyon. So I was reading the sign back there and it said the national parks forced out the last Havasupian Indian. Maricopa Point. The lady said it's the narrowest point in the canyon. She says when we walk out there we'll be able to see everything all around us. This is pretty cool. Definitely one of the better stops. Alright. Look at that. Holy cow. That's impressive. Wow. So instead of taking the bus, we decided to
Walk half a mile.
nice little brisk walk. All of us with our bundles on. Me with my sunshade on. It's keeping me warm. Right there. Powell Point. It says here in 1961 they were proposing to put an 18-story, 600-room hotel. The government finally closed it down in 1969. Kind of wild. We're gonna walk to the next one. What was it?
Point 3.
I think we can make it. First glimpse down there of the Colorado River. Looking down that canyon.
There's the river.
Brown River, Colorado River. See it down there flowing. Another nice angle.
That's an elk.
Is that an elk? Oh yeah. That's cool. That's pretty wild. This one doesn't look as healthy as the other one. The other one was big. You can see the Colorado River there. Flowing down through there. Very blowy, Sierra says.
Blowy.
Windy. So this section is called the Abyss. Pretty good view of the Colorado River. We're just reading the sign here. It says, nowhere else on the earth are the structures and the layer structures so defined as the Grand Canyon. So I believe this is one of the best views over here of the wall. That's the wall? I think that's the wall.
That's the wall.
Sierra thinks that's the wall. That looks straight up and down too. But that over there looks straight up and down. Maybe they're both, maybe it's all the Mohave Wall. I think this is one of the better views of the Colorado River. You can kind of see where it wraps around through there. Oh, this is Pima Point.
That was the last one.
Pima Point. Hermits Rest. Last stop. So this is famous Hermits Rest. The laundry run. Camper Services laundromat.
You were very short amount of time.
Hi buddy, what are you doing?
Oh, you're cute.
Just walking through.
Walking through the campground.
There he is. How about that? Wanted to give you guys a little look at our campsite this evening. There's a look over there. We got the shower curtain. We took showers this afternoon while it wasn't so cold. But kind of a weird sight. We had to turn around, turn all the way around because the road, it's one way going this way. But anyhow, I was gonna put my door facing out that way. A lot of people are in tents, and there's still snow on the ground. Absolutely crazy. And do some Blackstone cooking. Blackstone going again. Doing some chicken, some zucchini, and the girls are doing macaroni and cheese. Okay, little look at the chicken, looking good. Zucchinis all cooked up nicely. Okay, we've got our table set. We got
Korean barbecue chicken thighs with yum yum sauce.
So, I hope you enjoyed the Grand Canyon overlook. What was that called? Hermits Rest, yes. Went on the tour bus. Didn't want to bore you guys with tour bus rides. A lot of in and out, on, off the bus. Different sites. Works kind of good. You don't have to drive, but you got to wait a little bit for the bus. But it takes you to every place that you really want to see. So yeah, we're going to finish up this dinner. Stay cozy here in the van.
I think it's going to be in the 20s again tonight.
I don't know. Hopefully we don't get another snow flurry. That was pretty cold yesterday. But thanks.
On to Page, Arizona tomorrow. We're going to
Yes.
go on a tour and Horseshoe Bend. So
Oh.
stay tuned.
Thanks so much for watching. I appreciate it. And if you
haven't subscribed to our channel yet, it really does help out. If you guys are not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you have already been subscribed, you don't need to hit the button again. And make sure you hit the like button if you enjoyed this content. Thanks so much. We'll see you on the next one.
The roads are really icy and lots of snow from last night.
Storm is coming in.